I'm not even going to hold the grudge. It's water under the bridge now. Yeah. 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 But, Israel is being bombed now. Bombs are raining down on Israel. Not New Orleans, Israel. That it has spun out of control in Ukraine and Israel. And this whole affair has led to a worldwide pit bull fight festival of the roaming red bull out of control, red carpet treatment and it's just one shot away from the detonation of the 48 war all over again. So my hat's off to you. I know you're pleasure seekers with plenty of time and plenty of money to travel when you're off hours when you're not at the Supreme Court. There was rumor that another Supreme Court judge died smoking crack in Texas. They had a heart attack smoking crack, and they found crack pipe and paraphernalia in another judge's room in Hunting Lodge in Texas. I'm not going to hold grudges. And so, but the world overseas is floating in a nightmare. While we sit and peddle the huge American get-together now. It's a hug festival now, right? Explosions heard overseas. They're putting nuclear judgment. But back home, we're getting together now. See, eye to eye consummation here now. Finally at last, right? It's good. We're making progress.